The roads are bumpy. Gets a bit narrow here. Ditch there. Big ditch there, man, not going in that. Such a miserable day as usual. Oh no, I'm coming around here. Fun guy. Yeah, that's nice. Never recorded sort of a drive this car before. I hope it's not too shaky. I need to give myself a GoPro. Definitely. Foggy down here, lads. Oh, is that a pothole? No, it's not. That one is. That one is there, though. Don't show them.
Alright lads, right, welcome to another video. Right, this is going to be sort of a POV sort of drive video. Always want to do one, so I want to see how the footage comes out. But another thing as well, this is actually the second attempt at trying to film this unboxing. I've tried unboxing it, filmed it all, and then all the footage was just grainy as anything, so I might have got some settings mixed up on the camera. I hope it's right this time. So it's not so much as a reaction video this morning. This is just showing you how much what I've got in this month of Because Race Car Box. So I'll just open it up right now. 1 minute. Also started the day on a Monster. This is the best flavour, in my opinion. Everyone's entitled to opinion. This is 2018. Just right. Yeah, I'll switch camera around now. Right. So in this month I got I think they've partnered with Fast Car again. So we'll get a Fast Car magazine. I've had a quick look through it already. It's not so bad. So if you don't get this box and you're just watching the video, subscribe to that magazine. Got a E36 on this. Oh look, a Border Terrier going out for a walk. Right, and this time I got a load of these brushes. See, you know what? The stuff I'm getting in these boxes, the quality is just so good. What I like as well, it's always well packaged. So, like for instance, this is a bottle of snow foam from the Auto Bride people. And it came packaged in this bag just in case it leaked all over the place. So I also got a bit of de-icer. I could have done with this the other week when everything was frozen, but it's gone a bit milder now where I live, so nothing's freezing. Sherbet lemon air freshener, and a bottle of Rapid Detailer. I've got a couple of bottles of this now. I need to sort of try and use it, but the weather is just so rubbish round here. So this is a drying aid as well. So that's good. I'll try that out for sure. And that's it. Oh, I also got some gloves in there, but I've not got them. My son robbed them off me. Pretended he were Batman. Right, so I'll just chuck that down there. Right, again, really good supply. And the one thing as well, it always tells you how to use everything on the back. So that Rapid Detailer, you just lightly mist onto the vehicle one panel at a time. There's no cure time. So just spray it on and then just buff it straight off. So yeah. So obviously if you didn't know how to use the de-icer, you know, it tells you there. Right. We've been to Halfords today as well because I've still not tried out the tyre shine I got from Auto Finesse. I've been looking for some tyre dressing applicators, some cheaper versions, but I've ended up just buying another one of these. I currently use one of these with the Meguiar's tyre gel. That's, you know, it's really good as well, but we're all about just trying something else. So I've had to buy another one of these. I've paid £8. I probably could have got it from somewhere cheaper, but I went to Halfords because I knew they would have it. Rather than try, I probably could have got it £2 cheaper from somewhere else, but I wanted it now, and I knew they would have it. So yeah, so that was it. So I'll put in some more driving videos. I love driving around here, Rivington. it's just, you can just relax if you're just bored by yourself one day. So yeah, cheers guys, see ya. Used to be a load of spray paint on the roads up here, you know, where obviously people have crashed and died. It were a bit like the Nürburgring years and years ago. All the bikers and cars used to come rallying around here. But like I say, it's just a crap day, and it's been like this for weeks. Rubbish at the weekends, but it's like I can't do anything when I finish work because it's dark when I leave for work and it's dark when I'm coming back. So look at the visibility. Wow. Do we stick fog lights on? Yeah, put fog lights on. Biker up ahead. Good lad, he's got your flashing light on. But I can't even see the next bend coming up that's in front of him. Car with no lights on. Luckily I didn't go for overtake then, boys. You need to know these roads in fog because this is quite a narrow corner. Obviously in fog, you know, someone can be just coming around that and you're going for the overtake and see what a kind gentleman. What a kind gentleman. And that's a roadie as well. Being a mountain biker, they always late on, but what a guy. Pulled over so I can get past. Obviously he knew the roads up here as well. Sharp blind bends. What a guy. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Take care of TCP. Another little narrow thing here. See, they've actually narrowed this over the years for some reason. It used to be 2 cars wide. But yeah. Oh, it's cleared up now. I love coming up here on a clear day. You can see for miles. Like, you could see Blackpool Tower from up here, believe it or not. And in summer that's all dried out, all this lake to the right. Like a reservoir or something, and you can go in it. that was Rivington / Belmont Roads. Yeah boys, I'm going to end it here, then I can get the music back on, hashtag copyright and all that jazz. So yeah, see you later.